Swimming crab. You know, I saw these with the dots on them the first time a couple weeks ago. Swimming crab, but they got dots. I don't know. A different species. Lots of little squid. Look how small those are. Bags of mussels. Those are land crabs you got there. Expensive, yeah? They're more expensive than the ocean crab. Got some squid. Frogs. And fish. Catfish climbing perch. Mostly catfish. Look at the size of those frogs. I've never seen them bigger than that, that's for sure. They're huge. You want to see how Thai people dispatch catfish? They cut the spines off on the side, yeah? Check it out, huh? They got some huge frogs over here as well. Giant frog day, I think. Wow. Turning them inside out. Lots of fish that I don't know the name of. Now look at that one. Look at the teeth. You see the teeth? Oh, they're deep. Your arm. Beauty, huh? Those are some really nice snakehead, eh? Wow, those are all gobies. The catfish man.